See this? It's going the way of rotary dial phones and VHS tapes. That's because I would like to present to you the Snap-In Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware. And it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-In Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.
Our large and deep kitchen sponge holder provides enough space for your dishwashing accessories like sponges, brush scrubbers, and liquid soap dispensers. It's perfect for holding soap and other kitchen sink items. Being a handy countertop tray, the sink organizer keeps things in an easily accessible place. The sink sponge holder protects the sink area from soap scum and water and helps keep sponges off the counter that are wet. The sink tray is made of a flexible heat-resistant silicone. FDA-approved antibacterial and antimicrobial sponge tray keeps your family safe. It's easy to wash by hand with liquid soap and brush under warm water. The sponge holder is part of the Step Kitchen Counter Organizer collection by Good to Good. The extra-large silicone dish drying mat with its widespread surface is a perfect placement for washed cups, pans, plates, bottles, and all other kitchen utensils. The high edges and waterproof bottom of the drying mat collect drained water and keep kitchen countertops clean and dry. Its inner high ridges provide better air circulation for drying dishes fast. Use the silicone sponge holder with the silicone dish drying mat by Good to Good, and your countertop will always boast of neatness and cleanliness.